What's up, y'all? Mechanic tip. So, today I'm going to be going over the most common issues that you'll have with your cabin air and a few of the fixes that you can do to, take care of it. Some of the most common issues that you're going to have is whenever you switch through your levels of airflow, there's not going to be a change in between a few of these. That's going to be your resistor, and I'll be showing you how to change out a resistor and blower motor later. Another issue that you're going to have is, of course it's not going to do it now, but you'll hear a squealing that changes variation due to how fast it goes. That is going to be your blower motor. And again, I'm going to show you how to go over that with your second gen Tacoma on how to replace all of that stuff. Another issue you're going to have is your heat not blowing out like it should. Whenever that happens, more than likely, if you don't have a puddle in your passenger seat, your coolant is probably going to be low. So what might have happened is either your coolant is low due to a leak, or there is an air pocket in your coolant system because it got low, or you did a flush and they weren't able to get out the air pocket. If you'd like a video on that, just let me know in the messages and I can show you how to bleed your coolant system. The other issue is your AC not blowing out cold air. That is either going to be your AC compressor going out due to a leak, or just due to failure in your compressor itself. You're gonna want to take that in, but a way to check that is this. A quick check that you can do is you can take a spray bottle with some Dawn dish soap and water mixed into it, and you'll find these valves. You can spray some of that into there, and if it's leaking through this, then you're going to have bubbles that pop up. So you're going to want to check your high and low end on that, and that will help you realize if you're going to be looking at a compressor or not. So that's some of the main issues that you're going to have with your cabin air. Oh, also, if you turn on your blower for your car and it's not pushing out, but it sounds like it should be blowing, check your air filter. It gets clogged up easy. Sometimes mice get in there and build a nest. If you smell something pretty bad, usually you've got a mouse that have got up in there and, made a new home where it's warmer than the outside world. So hopefully that helped. And again, I'm going to be making a video on how to replace your blower motor and resistor in your second gen Tacoma. So stay tuned for that. Y'all have a great day now. Bye-bye.